Factor tree of 459. So 459, it can be written as 3 and 153. So 3 times 153 mean 459. 153, it can be written as 3 and 51. 3 times 51 mean 153. 51, it can be written as 3 times 17. 3 times 17 mean 151. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 3, 3, 3 and 17. So we can write 459 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 3 times this 3 times this 3 times this 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.